What is up, guys, and welcome back to the Hammer Dance YouTube channel. Today, just as promised, we're going to be going through all your stream graphic submissions. We're going to be splitting this into two separate videos. So this video is going to be about the stream graphics. I had you guys all submit pictures of your intermission screens or your just chatting screens or whatever you wanted to submit to showcase what your graphics look like on your stream. And then we're going to have a second video that's going to be the second version of rating, your physical setups. So this video is going to focus on the graphics. And then out of this video, we're going to pick one lucky winner from the community that's going to get their stream graphics completely redone on us here at the Hammer Dance channel. So that's pretty cool. I will be announcing the winner of that on the Discord in a couple days, probably 2 days. We'll be picking the winner. So just if you're not a part of the Discord, make sure you join it. But you probably are, because to enter the contest, you had to submit via Discord anyway. So without further ado, guys, we're going to jump in and look at your stream graphics. But before we do that, let's give a shout out and thank you to the sponsor for today's video, Owntv. Owntv is the place to go, guys, if you're looking for some fresh new graphics for your stream. Whether you're on Twitch, YouTube, or Facebook gaming, you'll find something that's a perfect fit for your channel. They offer full themed overlay packages, which are great if you're trying to give your stream a complete makeover. But let's say you're just looking to pick up some new alert graphics. Don't worry, because they've got you covered there too. You could find single graphics such as alerts, banners, panels, and logos as well. And one of the best parts about most of these overlays is that they are completely modular. So if you and your friends all pick up the same overlay, such as this Rodan one right here, you can change the colors and tweak it to match your brand, and none of you will have the exact same overlay. If you guys are looking to take your stream to the next level, be sure to check out Own.tv using my link below to support the channel. All right, guys, so we're going to jump in and start reviewing your stream graphics. But by the way, if you enjoy this content, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Turn on those post notifications so you don't miss the next time I post a video. All right, so we're going to dive in, and the first person that we're going to look at here is Bertsky57. Now, this is a pretty clean Just Chatting screen. I like it. He has the blue and blackish gradient theme going on here. It looks really clean. I do like the camera border, and I'm assuming at the top left here, this is going to be showing whatever your display is showing. That's pretty cool too. You have the off-centered new subscriber and new follower tags right there, and then your chat, of course, under that. Very cool setup. I like it. It's pretty minimal and clean. This is definitely something that I would use. I like this style a lot. I don't like big chunky designs personally. I mean, some people like it, but to me, I like the more clean and minimalistic design. So on a scale of 1 to 10, Bertsky57, I would give this a 7 out of 10. All right, up next here we have Nicky. This is a pretty cool design as well. I like it. Choosing to not go with the camera border, it's pretty cool. I like it. It keeps it clean. The whole black and light gray theme is very minimal. So not having a camera border here actually fits pretty well with this. I'm not sure if that's by choice, but it actually looks good from a design aspect. You have your social media graphic at the bottom. I'm looking at the GIF that you submit, by the way, as well. I like that. So it looks like you have your social media graphic at the bottom left here, and then your affiliate push counter above that, and your chat off to the right side. Pretty cool. I like it. One thing that I would do here, though, after looking at this for a little bit, is I think you should add a section of this. Like, I would make the chat a little bit smaller and then add a section where people can see your display, unless there's some reason why you don't want people to see it when you're on the screen. But if there is no reason for that, then I would make your chat a little bit smaller, and then above that put either your camera there and then your display screen right where your camera is currently, or vice versa. But other than that, this is a pretty clean design. I like the color scheme, very minimalistic. I would give this one a 6 out of 10, Nicky. Up next here we have our very own JayZ. Big member of the community, always supporting, always around. We play together too. I like this design. I really like Jay's logo. The whole like Zilla thing going on. It's pretty cool, and I feel like so much cool stuff can be done with this. From what this screen is right here, this Just Chatting screen, what I would personally do, and I know you're gonna be watching this video, Jay, is I would drop your chat down to the left, move your Twitch sub count up to the right hand corner, and then above the chat I would also add your display screen right there, because for some reason that just adds like another element to Just Chatting screens. I kind of like when you can see like a small sample of what's going on the screen. Again, unless you just don't want people to see it for some reason. But I do like what you wrote here in your chat. Hey guys, Hammer Dance is the GOAT. I like it. Hammer time. Hammer's up for that one, Jay. This is dope. I really do like this. I like your logo. I've always liked your logo. There's got to be some really crazy stuff that can be done with that. But for this screen right here, the color scheme and everything, I do respect the green screen. I like it. It's a totally different style than using like a background border, all that kind of stuff. I would give your JustChatting screen a 7 out of 10, buddy. All right, up next here we have It's All Right to Game. By the way, guys, I'm going by your Discord name, so I apologize if it's not right, but I will be going by whatever your name is in Discord, however you submitted the picture. So, looking at your JustChatting screen, I like it. I do like the theme, very minimalistic. I like the thin red camera border that you got going on here. You got the pod mic. I like that too, man. If you haven't already, I definitely would suggest on the right side there, having your chat. I'm assuming you do already, but if you don't, definitely a good suggestion there. Put your Twitch chat up on the right side there. I like that. Looks like you have your follower alerts going to come up right on the right side of your camera. Definitely pretty cool. And maybe for the text where you have welcome everybody, I would change that to like intermission or just chatting or something like that. But all in all, I do like this. Very clean. I like the background, this like messy black gray texture that you got going on. It's pretty cool. Very minimalistic theme, dude. I would give your JustChatting screen a 6 out of 10. Up next here we have iRexMaster. So it looks like your JustChatting screen is just a full cam screen. That's cool. You got the, I see you have the Harris Heller alert down there in the bottom right. Big ups to that because I use it as well. It's absolutely amazing. Thank you, Harris. We appreciate that. Looks like on the bottom left here you have, that's a pretty cool idea. I like that. Wow, that's a really good idea, actually. You have your latest YouTube video on the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. I like it, dude. That's pretty cool. And maybe the only thing I would really add to this, if you want to keep it minimalistic like this and just have it as a full cam screen, maybe throw your chat up on there. It helps with like interaction a little bit. And, you know, people like when they're chatting and they can see their text popping up on your screen. So for this setup here, I would rate this a 6 out of 10. Good job, dude. Up next here, we have DPStrix, another huge supporter of the stream. He's always hanging out, very big member of the community. He's been around for a while. This is a pretty clean screen, dude. I'm not gonna lie. This is definitely different. I like it. It's minimalistic, but there's a lot to it, and there's some serious depth to this. I like the like real serious tech vibe that I get from looking at this screen. I like how you have your camera up at the top right and the chat under the camera, and then you have your display screen off to the left of that with your socials above it, and then the bottom left and bottom right, obviously your recent follower, recent sub, recent tip, recent cheer. I think you nailed this, dude. Honestly, suggestion wise, I don't really have anything that I would suggest. I don't think there's anything more I would add to this. It looks really clean the way that it is. I would rate this a 7 out of 10, dude. Up next here, we have Boosted 21. This is wild. This is really cool. I'm a very big fan. I remember when you submit this, I was like, wow, this guy's, just your setup alone is insane, dude. Good work. This is some next level stuff. But yeah, your JustChatting screen is really good. I like how you have the nice wide angle lens at the top, and then even the bottom left you have another angle, which is really cool. I love when people do that to kind of get a whole zoomed out perspective of you know, your entire setup. And then the bottom right you have your display. So it looks like under that is where you keep your recent alerts like donations, bits, follows, all that kind of stuff, and then your socials under that. I don't think I have any suggestions for this either, man. I mean, the only other thing that I can see you adding to this, but I don't really know how you would incorporate it, is maybe Twitch chat somewhere. Maybe you can throw it in at the bottom middle there, but it's definitely not necessary. This is a very clean design. I like the triangular and hexagon design that you got going on in the background. This is really cool. Good job, man. I give this an 8 out of 10. All right, and last but certainly not least, we have the best jokes. This is best dad jokes, best mom jokes. They run a co-stream. Really cool people, and for those of you who don't know, Dad Jokes is actually an editor for me here on the channel. He's a very big part of what goes on my channel. We're constantly in communication and working together on stuff. But his JustChatting screen is phenomenal. You got the Dopey cam up top. Dopey's their dog. He's awesome. If you visit their stream and you earn some points, you can give Dopey some treats. And it's pretty cool. It's definitely a cool thing to have on their stream. And then obviously you see on the left there under Dopey, we have Dad Jokes. And over on the right side, we have Mom Jokes. And above that, we have all of the recent alerts going over there. And the chat is off to the left. Super clean design, very minimalistic and modern looking. I love it, man. I give your JustChatting screen an 8 out of 10. All right, guys, so that about wraps it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you did, hit that like button and consider subscribing to the channel and turning on those post notifications. If you want to hang out live, I stream on Twitch Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, 8:30 p.m. Eastern time. Now, everyone, I will be announcing the winner, whoever's going to win the stream graphic makeover for free on us. I will be announcing it on Discord in about 2 days, and I will also come back to this video and comment it and pin it to the top here, just in case you want to check back here as well. So if you're not part of the Discord, or anyone who wants to be part of the Discord, there'll be a link to that in the description below this video as well. Make sure you join that. I will post it in the announcement tab in 2 days. Someone will be getting their stream graphics completely redone on us here. But anyways, guys, that's all I've got for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I want you to keep those hammers up. I'll see you next time.